Hello everyone, I'm going to talk about 622 design circular queue. The question is design your implementations of the circular queue. The circular queue is the linear data structure in which the operations are performed based on the first in, first out principle. And the last position is connected back to the first. Okay, so the last position is connected back to the first position to make a circle. It also called ring buffer. One of the benefits of the circular queue is that we can make use of the spaces in front of the queue. In a normal queue, once the queue becomes full, we cannot insert the next element even there is a space in front of the queue. But using the circular queue, we can use the space to store the new value. So implement my circular queue class. We have some function need to do like my circular queue k initialize the object with the size of the queue to be k, and for the in front, get the front item from the queue. If the queue is empty, then return the -1. Get in rear, it means to get the last item from the queue. If the queue is empty, then return the -1. Last item. Okay, so front end is mean the first go inside here. And these functions in queue means insert element into the circular queue, return true if the operation is successfully. And for this function is called dequeued, delete an element from the circular queue, return true if the operation is successfully. And for the boolean is empty, check whether the circular queue is empty or not. And is full is check whether the circular queue is full or not. You must solve the problem without using built-in queue data structure in your program language. Okay, so for this one, I can to initialize something here. It's feeling like circle, right? Which means I want to have a header and to like tail to get something. If they can connect each other, never mind. So which means I kind of like I have a star here connected with this one, and this is tail. And this one is also they can connect each other, never mind, but I always can know where's my tail and where's my head. So I will use the class list node to implement this one. Every list node we have the like head, not it's kind of like previous. Node next and int value. It can initialize. Okay, so for this one I need to list the node. It's kind of global. Int size, the capacity. Case means capacity. And this head is equal to the new list node. I need to connect them together. Okay, so they will connect each other. And then for this one, then we can okay. So I have the size, I have the front, whether it is 4. So if like check if the size larger equal to the capacity, it will not out boundary. Then we return true. Otherwise, return false. It's empty. If size equal to 0, then we can return true. And for the capacity, right? So this one is finished. And for the front end, we have to check if it's empty. Return -1. Otherwise, return the front end. You can see here front end is the, so we need to return the tail about this. Yeah. It's empty. I need to return the head nest. Okay. So for here we need to check. This means insert a new thing, so we need to check whether it's 4 first. If true is 4, so we return false. Otherwise, we can. Okay. Node preview connected to the head. Okay, now we can break the nest one. Can connect it to new node and head nest connected to the new node. Now connect them together. Return true. And the size should up ++. And for the DQ is means we need to remove something. So we need to check. It's empty. It's empty. We cannot add anything to return, so return false. Otherwise, we need to just node the last one, right? So I need to break the last one for here, so tail private, last private nest should connect it to the tail, and the tail private should equal to the last preview. The size minus. return true. Missing the return. Okay, this one. Yep. And for the time complexity, the average is just 01. I didn't have any for loop. And for the space, I will say average just 01. And except the totally, we have the linked list, it will achieve like 01 time. So if the treated class, the space will achieve to the 01, but for the average about this one, it's just 01 time. Thank you.